beats.
Yeah, I'm on set ready. Blessings, some blessings, you come.
Hey y'all, I know I'm always smiling. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're old, welcome back. I just want to say thanks for stopping by. My name is Saygbah, and on this channel we do a little bit of hair tutorials, because you know I always say I'm the homegirl in the basement. I just do my little 1 2 1 2. So yeah, so we do little hair. I'm going to dig into the makeup, do hair, lifestyle, just basically the little ins and outs of what I do. So I just try to teach people what I do, because people always ask how I do it, even though it's not the best of the best, but we get it done over here. So welcome to my channel. If you're old, welcome back. If you're new, it's okay, don't feel left out, welcome back. So into the video, we're gonna be doing a wig installment. It's a closure. I haven't decided yet how I want to, if I want a side part, a middle part, or whatever part I want. But due to the fact that it's a closure, I'm not gonna go with the ball cap method and do all that stuff. I would just get straight to the point. And yeah, so there's one of my old wigs, and I believe it's like a 20-inch. It's 3 bundles with a closure. Usually I'll do 4, but this was supposed to be my little, you know, get up, let's go wig. So that's it. And it was black, and I just put some developer in it and just lighten the color, because I have a lot of black wig, as you can see in the back. So I just try to play with the other ones that I have, and this happened to be one of them. And yeah, this, I don't remember the size because of the closure, because this wig is really old, but I'm gonna bring it up close. This is how big the closure is, and it come with 2 combs, and it come with 2 little elastic bands. And on this channel, if you see anything that you like that you want to purchase, let me know, because baby girl, I can hook you up. It's all about helping each other, because right now you're watching the video, this video, you're helping me. So whatever I can help you with when it comes to anything you see on my channel that I told you I purchased, let me know. So yeah, let's get into it. And I use got to be glue to do my hair, because to be honest, it come off easily. I like my hair coming out really fast. Now let's place the wig. Gonna place it like right there. I have a forehead, okay? Forehead is huge, but we are not gonna judge, okay? You see? All right, that's how we go. My skin is so good. Move all the hair out the way. Yeah, beats.